In this video, we listed the 5 best laptops for programming that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air Laptop 2020. The Apple MacBook Air is a powerful and efficient laptop with a stunning 13.3-inch Retina display, offering vivid colors and sharp text. With an all-day battery life of up to 18 hours, it is ideal for both work and play. The Apple M1 chip with an 8-core CPU provides powerful performance, while 8 GB of unified memory ensures speedy and responsive multitasking. The fanless design keeps the MacBook Air cool and quiet, even during intense workloads. It comes in a stylish gold color and features a backlit keyboard for added convenience. With compatibility for existing apps and easy integration with other Apple devices, the MacBook Air is designed to provide an intuitive and seamless user experience. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty and the option to extend coverage with AppleCare Plus. Number 2. Dell XPS 15-inch laptop. The Dell XPS 9500-7002 SLV PUS is a 15-inch laptop in a sleek silver color, featuring a 512 GB hard disk, Intel Core i7 CPU, and 16 GB of RAM. It runs on Windows 10 Home and comes with special features such as Dolby Audio and NVIDIA GTX 1650Ti graphics card. The laptop boasts a 1610 FHD edge-to-edge display with Display HDR 400 and Dolby Vision, as well as integrated iSafe display technology. Additionally, it offers a 62% larger touchpad, 5% larger screen, and 5.6% smaller footprint, along with a quad-speaker design with Waves NX audio and high-polished diamond-cut sidewalls. Number 3. Microsoft Surface 13.5-inch laptop. The Microsoft laptop for 13i5, 8GB, 512GB black is a powerful and sleek laptop designed to provide up to 70% more speed with its 11th Gen Intel Core processor. It comes in a 13.5-inch screen size and a matte black color, offering a thin, light, and elegant design. The laptop features a 512GB hard disk, 8GB RAM, and runs on Windows 10 Home. With integrated graphics and special features like Dolby Atmos and dual far-field studio mics, it delivers sharp video and image quality, immersive sound, and clear voice capture for calls. Perfect for multitasking and video calls, this laptop is a great choice for those who need a reliable and efficient device for work or entertainment. Number 4. Apple MacBook Pro. The Apple MacBook Pro is a powerful and sleek laptop with a 14-inch screen and a space gray color. It is equipped with an Apple M1 chip, 16 GB of RAM, and runs on the Mac OS operating system. The special feature of anti-glare coating ensures a comfortable viewing experience. The integrated graphics card and 3.1 GHz CPU speed make it suitable for graphics-intensive tasks and fast processing. Additionally, it boasts impressive performance with up to 10-core CPU, up to 32-core GPU, and up to 16-core neural engine, providing up to 3.7x faster performance for pro workflows and up to 11x faster machine learning performance. The MacBook Pro also offers longer battery life of up to 17 hours, up to 64 GB of unified memory, and up to 8 TB of superfast SSD storage. Number 5. LG Gram 17Z90P 17-inch laptop. The LG 17Z90P K.AABHU1 is a 17-inch laptop in black color, featuring a 1 TB hard disk and powered by an 11th generation Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor with Intel Xe graphics. It also comes with 16 GB of RAM, making it suitable for memory-intensive content creation, designing, editing, and multitasking. The laptop boasts a 17-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 IPS LCD with DCI P399% color expression, delivering high-resolution content creation and editing. Additionally, it includes a 1 TB PCIe M.2 NVMe SSD for dependable storage accessible in a flash. Connectivity options include 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt for support, 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, a full-size HDMI port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Its special feature includes Alexa integration, and it comes with Windows 10 operating system.